Here, we would like to introduce you to the Kamesei pottery experience, specifically the making of tea incense burners. Tea incense burners have 3 benefits. Firstly, there is the aromatherapy effect. Secondly, the deodorizing effect, as heating tea in the incense burner provides a powerful deodorizing effect. Lastly, there is the soothing effect, where lighting a candle in the tea incense burner creates a gentle and fantastical ambience, calming your mind. The instructor, Hisashi Kiyomizu Sensei, is a potter from the renowned Kiyomizu Rokubey family. Under the guidance of such a master craftsman, we invite you to experience this yourself. Surely, this will bring a touch of richness and tranquility to your daily life.
For any other inquiries or applications, please contact us at the email address h-takayasu@kamesei-kyoto.com. Discover the charms of authentic Kyoto with Kamesei Kyoto Salon.